Hey everybody, it's Evan with the Grainiac, and I think I chose my next project. I think I'm going to be doing these end tables for my wife that she picked up online. I already disassembled to kind of see what we have going on there. Some old glue, some old peg holes. So I'm going to totally tear this thing up. I'm going to put new stain on it, a lot darker. But you'll see the difference you can make an old drab end tables like this into something really nice that you'd want in your home that actually will look good, and hopefully, show you guys some tips and tricks as we go, and maybe even make you want to do your own little project like that someday by showing you how easy it is. This thing will probably only take 2 nights, a few hours a piece. So I'll film myself as I go a little bit here and there and show you the final product. All right. Thanks for watching. Enjoy. You just don't know what they're thinking. There we go. So there's one screw that was in there somehow. I don't know how they can get that thing up in. Screw came off. One thing somebody can explain to me is why you put the dowels on there. You already used 1,000,000 screws. Then you're gonna use dowels on there, like on everything, dowels, like, and then glue them. Why don't you just run a few more screws in there? I'm gonna rip them. Well, I'll rip them up to that point. A little bit of a drip. Otherwise, looks good. Thanks for watching. Make sure to click like and subscribe to stay up to date on my projects.